What's up, guys? It's Mason here, and my grandma, pretty much my adopted grandma, got a brand new car. It's a new Chevy, and man, is she a beauty. I absolutely love this car. It's pretty nice. It's a newer car. I mean, it's brand new, and yeah, it's pretty nice, and it's brand new. They got it last night. It's a Chevrolet Equinix LTZ, and so I don't know. I have never seen one of these cars. Look at that! Absolutely beautiful. It's just awesome. I mean, also look at that. Nice seats. And then this here, this is the front seat. These are the front seats. And there's all the front here. And so, I mean, it's not like a freaking Lamborghini, but it's pretty nice for an SUV. Yeah, I mean, it's really nice compared to those of the cars that we have, but there's your last look. Hope you guys like the car. Let's aim for 30 likes.
Sure. And then Nate will pick him up after. Okay, sure. Tomorrow is our Lions Club lunch meeting.
30
so
likes.
Tuesday. Oh yeah.
And yeah, so bye.